So SpaceX just went public and everyone's freaking out. What actually happens to the employees who have stock for years when the IPO drops?
Usually, they check their net worth a lot more than they should.
Makes sense.
When a company goes public, employees and shareholders can finally see the true fair market value of their shares. Before they go public, everything is based on private valuations, which usually happens very infrequently. And so employees and shareholders don't really have a good idea of the true market value of their shares.
That sounds way too good to be true. There must be a catch, right?
There's always a catch. So most of the time, those that own shares are not going to be able to sell right away. Oftentimes, there's a lockup period, and at least 6 months is often the case.
So they could be millionaires, but they just can't touch it yet?
Exactly. So they're rich on paper, but they can't do anything with it right away. And when that lockup does end, they have to be very careful, because if there are a lot of employees that are looking to sell shares in the market, that can push the stock price down. So it's extremely, extremely important that they have a plan for selling their shares, oftentimes either through a good advisor will give them advice on a strategy.
And taxes? I'm guessing the IRS shows up.
Of course. So depending upon the types of shares, whether it's just private stock that's gone public, restricted stock units, there could be different ramifications depending upon the types of shares that they own. Sometimes they may owe taxes on shares that they don't even sell. So planning is vital.
So when a company like SpaceX goes public, employees don't just walk out with the bags of cash. They have to wait through the lockup, deal with taxes, get a valuation, and plan their sales.
And that's why they call us.
Are the employees the only ones who can benefit from an IPO?
Oh, that's for the next video. So you have to follow us if you want to understand a breakdown of how regular investors can benefit from an IPO.